really pretty gate alert. Stairs ahead, but stairs to what exactly? I don't really see anything. Levels, ground level. Ooh, I really like this. I want this in my front garden. And actually, I want this in the middle of my bedroom. And then when I feel like really evil, I can sort of just go to the center of my bedroom, like ball of coolness. Tell me how amazing I am. I want to ride in it too. So there are the fishes. You know, I don't know what those are. Those tadpoles, maybe, and those are goldfishes. It reminds me of the enclosure they kept the really genetically modified T-Rex in Jurassic World, which was a really nice movie, by the way. I recommend it. Oh, they have another one. But you can see me. Now this is just awesome. Just pure awesome. I didn't know plants could be so exciting. Ooh. Oh yeah, Riska got me a bonsai once. Let's see. Inside. Alright, so I just learned some stuff. So trees, bonsai trees are usually placed off-center. And that's because the center is supposed to be for the deity. And they are supposed to reflect mini landscapes. And therefore the pot should never detract from the tree itself. I would have actually realised before. That's amazing. It's my favourite part of the museum.